Build your own solar system. Now you too can create the motions of the planets and the sun. You know you've always wanted to. You don't need billions of years and millions of kilometers to do it. Skip all the hot gas and cold rock and just get what you need at a grocery store or around the house. Each system will need a generic plastic straw. About 8 inches length is great. Flex plastics are the most common type. A clean recycled straw is good too. You'll need some money, a quarter and a penny, and finally a toothpick. The rounded kind pointed at both ends is best. Avoid recycled picks here. Tools needed include scissors. You're not going to be running around with them. A sharp pointed knife. Caution, no injuries allowed. A marker and a cutting board. First, find the flex part of the straw. Pretty easy. Cut the straw on the center side of the flex. Now you have 2 pieces. Set aside the short piece. It's going to come back later like an orbiting comet. You'll next make slits in the straw to form slots for each coin. Slits into slots are what we've got. Start off cheap with the penny. Size up the coin against the straw, leaving about 1/3 inch or 8 millimeters straw end beyond the diameter. Safely embed the tip of the knife into the straw. If it has a stripe, do this right into the stripe. Push the knife all the way through the straw. Then pull the straw to make the slit, remembering to stop about 1/3 inch or 8 millimeters before the end. Remember push me, pull you from Dr. Dolittle? Repeat the process at the other end of the straw, this time for the quarter. Align the slit to the slit at the other end so the slits are parallel. Using the stripe makes this easy. Slits and slots are what we've got. Insert the penny into its slot. The straw should bisect the penny as shown. In England, this would be 2 halfpennies. Insert the quarter into its slot. If a quarter is 2 bits, then a bisected quarter is just a little bit. The finished assembly should resemble this view. It's a good thing straws are cheap, right? Remember the second piece of straw? Place it under the straw with the coins in it and find the balance point. Is it in the middle? No. Is it near the penny? Not. It will be close to the quarter. Mark the balance point on top of the straw on the stripe you used to align the slits. Punch and poke next. Get the toothpick and punch it into the straw's wall at the mark. Continue until it pokes up out of the straw. Remember the second piece of straw? It keeps coming back for more. This time, yoga for shorty. Pull it to stretch out the flex corrugations. Put all the pieces together on the cutting board. Slide the toothpick inside the short piece of straw. Congratulations, the model is now complete. You're the proud creator of your own solar system. What are you going to name it? Here are the disassembled parts of the model. Total cost of each model is about 30 cents. What a bargain. In part 2, I'll show you how to use your brand new solar system. Till then, wishing you skies clear and dark, I'm Derek Wallentinson.